The moment we all have been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Dun dun dun. Wait. Oscar, where is it? Where's the new ride? What'd you do with it? It's a Jeep day? It's a Jeep day. Stay focused! Tenacity! Come on, let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Jeep Nation, Gladiator Nation, Today is not the day. The Gladiator is not arriving today. I don't really know when it's arriving, but something else has arrived. More to come, more to come. If my calculations are right, which they're usually not, the new car should be right there. So yeah, I don't know how to really say this. It hasn't arrived yet, but it's going to soon. Maybe. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Zebit. If you do any kind of online shopping, if you've ever online shopped in your entire life, you're gonna wanna check it out. Let me explain. The Zebit marketplace has millions of products from all your favorite brands, and you pay interest-free over time. There's no late fees, there's no cost to sign up. Zebit won't be checking your credit score, and it won't impact your credit score either. The Zebit marketplace is super easy to use, it's easy to find products, and they have everything imaginable. They got electronics, you need a set of AirPods, 50-inch TV, they got Red Dead Redemption, gift cards, tires, they even have beds, furniture, you name it, Zebit has it. The squad is getting hooked up today. Link in the description below, zebit.com/TheStradman. You can get access to $2,500 interest-free credit, zebit.com/TheStradman. Like, check it out, like right now. What did we get? What did we get? What did we get? I didn't order Vans though, bud. I didn't order any of these. The new car should be here in about 15 minutes. So I don't know, somebody must have sent this to me. I have no idea. Oscar, what is it? What is it, bud? Yeah, you want it? Are they for you maybe? I don't think they're your size, bud. I don't think so. Whoa, those are cool. Sick, check those out, Oski. Look, who sent these though? Thank you for supporting our heritage with your van customs made order. Steve Van Dorn. I don't think, who sent me these? If you sent me these, thank you. I'm trying to figure, wait, do you hear it? It's here, it's finally arrived. It's here, Oscar, buddy, it's here. The car is here. Wait for it. Here it is, the new addition to the garage, 2018 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. This is not mine, Nick owns it. Nick also owns the house. If you're new to the channel, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Of course, Nick is here polishing it off like he does. I've never seen you polish off the X5, what gives? Yeah. Anyways, keys, I'll take the keys. Can I have the keys? I'm driving.
Are you qualified? Are you trained?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, yeah. This has what, 550 horsepower?
526.
Okay, yeah, that's plenty, yeah.
6-speed.
Okay.
Rear wheel drive.
Oh, yeah, yep, you're right. I only drive all-wheel drive cars. All sarcasm aside, like, I'm not a big Mustang guy, but the GT350 is a whole new level. This thing is an absolute monster. Leadfoot gray. We're gonna go to lunch. We're going to Mobetta's. Yes. Yeah, so is the person okay? They cracked the windshield? Are they okay? This is going to be a mild acceleration. Mild. We don't want to lose the back end. Concrete wall! Oh, we're good. That was it? That was pathetic. You didn't even get on it. Are you trying to ruin my video?
You're yelling concrete wall, man. I can't focus while
That was 3,000 RPMs. This does sound good, but he's driving. I'll drive later. Got air-conditioned seats. Check that out.
I like how this whole video time this video's over.
Crowd.
Safe,
Whoa, we're
safe
good,
distance.
we're good. We have not had a proper food vlog in a long time. Welcome here to Mobetta's. Dun 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 dun. Also, person. Yep, you're good.
Safe distance.
You're good. You're gonna be okay.
Protocol.
Nick is going to be doing all sorts of mods to his GT350. If you don't follow him on YouTube, link in the description below. You're buying lunch for that shout out, right?
Do you know how many shout outs I've given you? And this is the first one I've gotten.
Whoa, I shout you out all the time. Not a paid product placement for Mobetta's or its affiliates, but if it could be someday, Nick and I would be eternally grateful.
What do we got to do?
Yeah, anything and everything.
Hello? Anybody here? Hook it up. That guy.
I can't even begin to explain how good that was. Per Utah code 9-4358A, your window tint is in violation.
Medical permit.
Go away! We were just about to do a fat pull. He's gonna get you for the window tint, bro.
Windows down. Windows down.
Yes, windows down.
Wait,
Good.
I don't need to. I have a medical exemption. We're
You
good.
don't have a medical exemption.
We're good.
Just lollygagging. Just we don't have a choice. It's not that we don't want to do a fat pull. We can't do a fat pull.
Man.
Another one. They're looking for you, bro. We need a new windshield. Nick hit a crowd. Not a paid product placement for Safe Light or its affiliates. I have to be straight up honest, now that Nick is not on camera, this GT350 looks so sick. The color looks amazing, the wheels. I think he might wrap it here in the future. What color do you think he should wrap it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking purple with white wheels would look sick. So we're just kind of waiting. We're just sort of waiting. I just kind of sort of realized there's two outcomes at play. Either Nick will come back to pick me up, or he won't. I didn't think that through. It sounds so good. I never thought I'd say it, but it sounds, oh. That sounded pretty good too. I can only imagine what people are thinking. I'm running around under an underpass in the middle of nowhere, but it sounds good. Oh gosh, I am in the line of sight. This is not good, I'm okay. Yeah, we've reached the curious portion of the vlog. Don't hit the school bus, bro. Like, there's kids in there. Bad news, Nick has to head back to work, but good news. Come on, give him to me. I need him. I know.
can't do it.
I know. Trust me, I will not do more than 5 burnouts. I won't use launch control, and I won't put it into a crowd.
Just, you know, I'm trusting you. Everyone.
Yes.
Also, respect, appreciate. If anyone wants to come over, join my channel.
Oh, whoa, you're shouting at your channel. Whoa.
I only want to do a soft plug because we're going to do everything under the sun with this car, except for put it into a wall. And we are going to maybe straight pipe that too.
Yes.
I think we have to.
Of course we do. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Cool. Honestly, guys,
Wrap
like,
it?
link in the description below. Check out his channel, The Burlecker. Actually, congrats. It's actually a sick car.
Thanks, man.
I like to make fun of you, but this thing is sick. Like, Nick and I have been talking back and forth for a long time. He was looking at some other nonsense, but at the end of the day, like a GT350, this thing is sick.
We got some stuff to do to it, though.
We do.
Got some stuff to do.
We do. On his channel. You might see some of it on my channel, but go check out his channel. Link. Like right now. Like, you don't even have to watch the rest of the video. You can subscribe. Like, honestly, there's just a bunch of nonsense. Okay. No, the plug ended a while ago. Get back to work. You got ledgers, you got journal entries, you got financials.
Flat tire, I got to fill that out too.
That's true. That's not safe. All right. See you, dude. This might be one of the best iterations we've ever had in the driveway. The Shelby GT350 looks so sick. I'm so happy for Nick, but this grouping is not gonna last very long, or it's gonna be sold or traded in, or something's gonna happen to it. And then the Gladiator's arriving next week, and I'm gonna trade in the JK for that. So, Nick, I'm sorry. I have to adjust your seat forward. I'm short, I'm a shrimp. I don't have a choice. I'll probably not put it back to your seating position either. Yeah, sorry, bro. She sounds good. Just so there's no doubt, I have returned the GT350 in one piece, so we're good. Nick, we're good. Oh, it's a cool car. It's a really cool car. Huracan, no, the Sonic side. Lamborghini Huracan, there it is, there it is, there it is. Okay, that's pretty much the best I'm gonna do. Well, that's actually a better shot. Lambros, what's up, dude? What's up? That never happens in Lamborghinis. I just realized I said Lambros, and for that, I cannot apologize enough. I will never, I promise, I will never, ever, ever say that again on the vlog. I still love this Gallardo just as much as I did the day I bought it, so I'm dropping it off here at Makes and Models for the open house tomorrow. They're gonna wash it for me. No way!
Girth
Celebrity
Nation, you know.
in the house. Yeah, Girth Nation, you're right. Goodness gracious. Also, Supercharger Nation, you can't see it, but trust me, there is a supercharger. So these guys are hustling right now, washing all the cars. We got the GT3 right here for that open house tomorrow. Dude, look at that technique though. Okay, yeah, we messed that up. We'll do a take two. There's a take two. Oh, Josh. Nah, one more time. Quicksilver exhaust. Whoa, nice. Man. Niall hooking up the viewers. That never happened. Jeez, that's sick. GT2 RS out of nowhere. That thing is wicked. GT2 RS, matte black, carbon fiber bonnet, carbon fiber roof, bronze wheels. We got the LP560, and we have the Lamborghini Urus right there. So all of these cars are gonna be at the open house tomorrow. So if you live in Utah, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I realize this video is going up at like noon. So if you're watching this, you missed it. I'm sorry, you should follow me on Instagram. Matte black Lotus Exige. Unfortunately, this car is not for sale because I would be buying it today. There is a Lotus Exige in my future someday. We got the 599, we got the F12, GT3 991.2, another GT3. It's GT3 day here at Makes and Models. Like I said, open house, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But if you're watching this video, it's kind of sort of too late. Just waiting for my Uber somewhere. There it is. A new Quicksilver exhaust. This is a proper Uber back home to go get the Aventador. I was gonna bring the Aventador tomorrow, but I sort of messed that up. But yeah, it sounds properly good. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Sounds good. See you, man. We're dropping off the Aventador right now as well. It's gonna be washed and then it'll be on display tomorrow. I gotta figure out who to give the keys to. Can I trust you with these?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I swapped it out for a Maserati, look at that. But the loaner car agreement says pets are not allowed. However, pets named Oscar are allowed, so we're good, we're good. We are balling out in the Maserati Ghibli. I don't think I've ever driven a Maserati. Is that true or am I don't think I have. Cold start up on the Ghibli. Maserati. Okay, I totally messed up that acceleration. Wow. I would reckon it's just as much fun to say Maserati as it is to drive Maserati. Okay, that was annoying. We're headed home. You know what? The neighbors, they're not happy anyways. I was expecting it to sound better. What a day, but GT350. Guys, check out Nick's channel. All sorts of cool mods coming to his channel soon. When I say soon, I have no idea. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.